What's up, guys? It's Holly here. Today, I'm going to be showing you all of my fidget spinners. So let's just get into it. I've got first is this one. Oh, there we go. Light up LED black fidget spinner. Now this occasionally used to be a red fidget spinner, red LED. But I changed the green bearings out of my black fidget spinner and put my red LED ones in, and then put my green in my red. So yeah, you'll see the green in a minute. But yeah, I'm going to be rating these fidget spinners. Then at the end I'll do like a speed test like this now, and I'll also be showing you all of the fidget spinners all together. So it's quite loud. It has a really good spin though. So I'd rate this a 6 out of 10. Next up, we have this one in the tin. It's... Oh, 1 second, guys. There we go. Okay, who cares about that? It's a hypnotising Captain America one. Like, you spin it. Did you see that? It doesn't spin very well when I'm looking on the camera, but it does spin for ages. See, look, I'll spin it for ages on this side. Look, it's still spinning. But it stopped when I turn it around. Okay, because of that, it stops when I'm doing that. I'd rate it a 4 out of 10. Not that well. Here is the red one I swapped with the green. Now this doesn't have any finger pads on, but it still spins quite well without finger pads. Green and the red, I like that actually, looks quite nice. Spin it really fast even though it hasn't got any bearings. Do a little bit of trick. I'd rate this solid 6 out of 10. Next, I have another tinned one, but this one is really special. It's a bat one, and this is very sharp. Now, it is quite cool. It's oil slick metal, complete metal. Watch. Oh, let's get another metal one. Complete metal. Spin it. No spin. Ow! I cut myself with it. See? I'd give this only a 5 out of 10 because I really like it. I really like how they've done it and everything, and it spins quite well. It's just it cut me. It cuts really hard and it really hurts actually. Alright, let's just go on to the next one. Here we go. Next we have this one. Now this is gold metal fidget spinner. It's metal. And well, see, metal, and also spins really fast, but it does have a bit of a bump to it. There we go, it's okay though. Alright, I'd rate this a... I think I'd rate this about a 7 out of 10. Yeah. So yeah. Also, comment down below what your top 3 favourite fidget spinner of mine is. Next I have this one. It's got yellow, blue, pink on it. And it's a magnetic one. Oh. Spins quite alright. I did lose the finger pad for the back one. I don't know where that is. But it still spins alright. And when you're actually spinning it, you can like see the pink, the yellow and the red and the yellow in it, which is quite cool. So I'm going to rate this a is 7 out of 10. Next up, we have the 2 fidget cubes. Wow, this one's called a fidget controller, so let's just do this one first. That one. This little roundy thing there. You've got like a little, like, thing there. Joystick, clickies, run and run. I'd rate this an 8 out of 10. And then I've got the fidget cube, which I'd rate this an 8 out of 10 as well. It's exactly the same, except the clicky thing is like a proper clicky, roundy balls, like these clogs. Clicks. Yeah, soothing thing. And yeah, good. So, next, then both 8 out of 10. Next, I've got this one. It's an army one. And it's got like these weird bumps on the finger pad. Can you just see that, guys? And when you spin it, really great grip. Which is actually really cool. So yeah. It's a bit bouncy though. Ooh.
She's going to school now. She's a lunchbox. Mommy, she's not coming.
Just ignore him. So it is alright. I'd rate this 8 out of 10. Sorry about the background noise, guys. It's just my dad and that. Stepdad, sorry. Not my dad. My stepdad and my mum and Hayden, my brother. Here, next we have these 2 fidgets. They're Bat ones. The Batman ones. This one is used to be green, but Hayden, my brother, coloured on it. This one's just originally black. But I hate these. Look. They're so bouncy and everything. That's 0 out of 10. And then this one, it just spins a bit better. So I'm going to give this like a 1.5 out of 10. That's all. Here we go. Next one is this metal one. And it's oil slick. It is metal. Metal. Let's get a proper metal one like this one. See? Metal. Okay. Spin test. See that really nice colour there? It's really, really nice. So yeah, I'd rate this 9 out of 10. God, I haven't had any 10 out of 10s yet. Well, might get to one soon. Here is this one. I can't remember what colour this one used to be. But it's been coloured, as you can tell. I think it used to be green. So, spin test. Amazing at spinning. So fast. Okay, I'd rate this 9.5 out of 10. You were close. Now here's this one. I got this from Wales. And it's this one. It's like 2 bouncy things, like 2 balls instead of bearings. Spin really fast at spinning. It's so cool. But thing is, it keeps hitting your hand because I've got so little hands. It's quite big. I'd give this a 7 out of 10. Here's this one. Oh, I love this one. Got pink, rose gold pink. It has like these weird bearings. Spin test. Really, really good at spinning. And yeah, I'd rate this 9 out of 10 as well. It's quite good. Next I have these two pairs. I got these from Poundland. Two sparkly ones, orange and blue, and you spin them. Oh, let's spin one at a time. First is the blue one. Spins really good, got good grip to it. Oh dear. Okay. So yeah, I'd give this 9 out of 10. I'd give both of them 9 out of 10. Here's the orange one. Yeah. 9 out of 10 for both. Which means they got 18 out of 20. Which is good. If they added it together. Next is this one. Okay, I'm dropping everything today. This one. Oil slick metal again. See, metal. Spins really, really well. I love this one. It's my favourite one. And guess what? This is the first fidget spinner to get 10 out of 10. Boom. I got a 10 out of 10. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. Next up I have this camo one. Green camo. Spin it. Alright. I'd give it a 7 out of 10. Next up is a Transformers one. Really, really thin. So, yeah. What? It stops? That's a bit rubbish, isn't it? You loosen these a bit. Oh, there we go. I just had to loosen the finger pads a bit. Alright, so I'd give this only a 5 out of 10, to be honest. I mean, I love it. Metal, but not that good. Next up is this one. The fidget, blue fidget, yeah, but it's got like colouring on, so spins super fast, but it's really, really loud. Now, I'd rate this 8.5 out of 10. Now, last but certainly not least is this one. Now, this is my favourite one, better than this one. It spins so well. It's the quietest one out of all my fidgets. Gold, metal, and it's amazing. See? So I'm obviously going to give this a 10 out of 10. Woo! Okay. Now that is all for today, except one more thing. I'm going to show you an amazing show of my fidget spinners. All of them. They won't be spinning, but they'd be all cool and that lot. I've just got weird tins, everything here. I'm just setting it all up because I don't want it all messed up. Okay, so please comment down below which one you thought was the best, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. So hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you know, and now I'm going to change your camera around to show you all my fidgets. Boom! There we go. We have the lighter, Captain America, all of these guys, fidget cubes, the controller, everything. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you comment down below which top 3 were your favourite fidgets. Bye!